Composition of the data center facility. In this section, we will introduce the composition of the data center facility. This picture shows Huawei L1's multi-tier infrastructure in the data center at present. As we can see, we can divide the data center facility into 8 systems. They are, respectively, the power supply system, cooling system, integrated cabling, integration management, firefighting system, surge protection or grounding, cabinet system, and interior decoration. The power supply system includes DG, ATS, UPS, DC power cabinet, AC power cabinet, static transfer switch, also called STS, battery and battery rack, power cable, and so on. DG means diesel generator. ATS means automatic transfer switch. UPS means uninterruptible power supply. The cooling system includes the precision air conditioner, comfort air conditioner, and ventilation system. Integration management includes access control, CCTV, power and environment monitoring. In addition, DCF also includes the interior decoration, cabinet system, lightning protection or grounding, firefighting system, and integrated cabling. Each system includes its own specific contents. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.